How to add your home location on Snapchat. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to add home location in Snapchat. After you open the Snapchat, go to location at the bottom left side. After you open the location like this, so tap on the settings at the top right side. After you go to the settings, so the first thing to do, now make sure you turn off this option, this ghost mode. Make sure you turn off this option. So after you turn it off like this, so the first thing to do, now you tap on this suggest place. So from this option, now you tap on this, tap to add address. So if you want, you can just go ahead now and type in your address by filling this information. If you don't want, you can just tap on this map button, and from there now it will give you all the addresses. So just zoom it back using your fingers. So after you zoom it back, now you just go ahead and choose the location you want to use. I'll just zoom it back like this. So let's say I want to use this location. If you want, you can just zoom it back all the way to see all the countries in the world. So as you can see, now it will give you all the world map. So just go ahead and choose the location you want to use. Let's say I want to use South Africa. I'll choose this one. I'll zoom it in the South Africa. Let's say I'll choose a specific location. So let's say I want to use this one. So after you choose this, so tap on the save button. So from there, as you can see here, is it now it gives you now the exact location. So now you just tap on this option. Now type in the street. Let's say you just type in the street name. After you type in the street name, now you tap on the floor if you want. After you finish all this, so you tap on the save button. So if you scroll to down, so at the top now you tap in, you give it a name. So I'll just type in my location, or just type in South Africa. Just keep the location name. So after you finish this, now scroll to down and tap on this option and choose a category. So just choose a category, let's say home. So just choose home services or funeral home, just choose something. After you choose what you want to use, so from there you tap on this option now, hours. So this hours, as you can see, it says all days closed. So you tap on this option now and then tap on this open all day and then done. So now you just do it for all of the days, just open the days at all. After you finish, just tap on the save button and then you just tap on the submit button. So now you add your home location in the Snapchat. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe.